Recently, Aileen Cannon, the judge presiding over Donald Trump's case involving confidential papers, has rendered decisions that have aroused interest and raised concerns. Cannon has made judgments that have benefited trust, most notably permitting trial postponements, which has helped the former president's defense plan due to apparent inaccuracies in past decisions. Her handling of the matter has garnered attention, casting doubt on her objectivity. When Cannon, a district judge from Florida, was assigned to the case, there was first curiosity about how she would handle its complications. Newsweek said on Monday, February 26, 2024, Trump's trial is under great public scrutiny, and Cannon's choices will have a big impact on how it turns out. As the case develops, Cannon will have difficulties upholding equity and responding to criticism of her choices. Recent decisions made by Aileen Cannon in Trump's Mar-a-Lago lawsuit have sparked discussion and conjecture. Critics contend that she seems to be favoring Trump's defense plan by permitting delays that may work to his advantage during the trial. This has prompted issues about the fairness of the proceedings and her objectivity. Cannon's selection to the case first drew notice due to her experience as a Florida district judge. Her management of the trial has come under fire, however, especially in light of apparent inaccuracies in past decisions. These mistakes have raised questions about her capacity to handle a politically sensitive and high-profile case in an unbiased manner. The public's keen interest in Trump's trial puts further pressure on Cannon to maintain justice and openness. She must respond to any criticism of her judgments, since they are very important and have the power to change the course of the case. Cannon's task going forward is to maintain the values of justice while navigating the trial's complications in order to preserve the public's faith in the legal system. She will need to show that she is committed to justice and impartiality when she makes crucial judgments in the days ahead. Once more, the public is awaiting a significant ruling from the court supervising former President Donald Trump's case involving sensitive papers this week, which represents a turning point in his legal career. According to a former federal prosecutor, the judge's actions the coming days could decide whether or not Trump will go on trial in May on 40 federal charges stemming from claims that he kept secret documents after leaving the White House in January 2021 and obstructed the pursuit of those documents by authorities. The public and legal professionals have been closely following the developments regarding Trump due to the seriousness of the allegations against him and the possible legal ramifications the former president's court fights have dealt into issues of responsibility and the use of presidential rights after leaving office. In addition to political matters, the central charge in this case is that Trump allegedly kept secret papers after leaving the White House. Newsweek revealed on Monday, February 26. These accusations are serious because improper handling of classified material raises questions about national security and compliance with laws intended to safeguard private government information. Reports state that the obstruction accusations are the result of the appropriate authorities' attempts to get the sensitive documents. The legal investigation into the matter has been more intense due to Trump's claimed obstructions in delivering these records. The resolution of this legal dispute may influence how the public views a former president's responsibility, going beyond party lines and touching on more general issues of upholding the law. The statement made by the former federal prosecutor that the judge's judgment this week may decide whether or not Trump is tried and may emphasizes how urgent and important the next decision is. This kind of trial involving a one-time president would be unique and would establish a new standard for how the court system handles misbehavior. Claims made by leaders who have left office. In this instance, the public's curiosity is fueled by the complexities of the law, as well as the wider ramifications for the democratic ideals that form the foundation of the American political system. A key focus of the continuing investigation of Trump's post-presidential behavior is accountability, transparency, and the rule of law. The judicial proceedings pertaining to Trump's case over secret Data are anticipated to include intricate debates about executive privilege, the obligations of previous presidents, and the demarcation of limits between individual liberties and the interests of national security.